In a shocking discovery, researchers found that a single drop of honey contains a staggering 60, 000 to 80, 000 species of bacteria. These tiny microorganisms play a crucial role in the complex ecosystem of the honeycomb. The diversity of bacteria in honey has been a subject of fascination for scientists and bee enthusiasts alike. To understand the significance of this phenomenon, let's delve into the world of apiculture and explore the mysterious world of honey. Bee colonies are intricate societies with a strict caste system, and the queen bee is responsible for laying eggs and maintaining the colony's population. Worker bees, on the other hand, are responsible for foraging, caring for young, and defending the colony. As they collect nectar from flowers, they also gather pollen and water, which they bring back to the hive. But what's astonishing is that the pollen they collect is not just any ordinary pollen, it's a treasure trove of microscopic life. Pollen grains contain the male reproductive cells of plants, and as they travel through the air, they become a vital source of nutrients for the colony. However, this process also exposes the pollen to various environmental stresses, such as extreme temperatures, UV radiation, and moisture. To survive these challenges, the pollen develops a unique chemical signature that helps it to withstand the rigors of the environment. But what's even more remarkable is that the bacteria in honey have developed a symbiotic relationship with the pollen, allowing them to thrive in this harsh environment. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of genetic information. That's essentially what's happening with the bacteria in honey. As the bacteria feed on the sugars present in the honey, they produce compounds that have antimicrobial properties, helping to preserve the honey and protect the colony. But that's not the strangest part. The bacteria in honey also produce compounds that have potential health benefits for humans. Researchers have discovered that the antimicrobial properties of honey can be used to treat wounds, reduce inflammation, and even combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria. However, this raises an important question. Can we harness the power of honey's bacterial ecosystem to create new medicines and treatments? To answer this, we need to understand more about the complex relationships between the bacteria, the pollen, and the bee colony. Scientists have been studying the microbiome of the honeycomb, and their findings have been nothing short of astonishing. They've discovered that the bacteria in honey are capable of communicating with each other through a complex system of chemical signals. This allows them to coordinate their behavior, work together to break down complex nutrients, and even respond to threats to the colony. But wait until you hear what comes next. The bacteria in honey are also capable of producing compounds that can influence the behavior of the bees themselves. This raises questions about the potential for microbiome engineering. Can we use our understanding of the bacterial ecosystem to improve bee health and colony productivity? As we explore the mysteries of the honeycomb, we're forced to confront the reality of our own relationship with nature. We're beginning to realize that the natural world is far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. And yet, despite the challenges we face, there's still so much to learn and discover in the world of close-up nature and macro wildlife. In fact, the discovery of the bacterial ecosystem in honey has opened up new avenues of research into the microbiome of other ecosystems. From the roots of plants to the guts of animals, the study of microbiomes is revealing the intricate web of relationships that underlies life on Earth. As we continue to explore the natural world, we're reminded of the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting the delicate balance of ecosystems. The world of close-up nature and macro wildlife is full of surprises, and the discovery of the bacterial ecosystem in honey is just one of many examples. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of close-up nature and macro wildlife, and discover the incredible secrets that lie just beneath our noses. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let us know in the comments what fascinates you most about the natural world. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.